Good evening, everybody. This is Cruiser Chris, and I'm very excited to report to all of you that I have received my new Lifeline device. This Lifeline is created by MedScope. There are several different Lifeline providers that you can choose from, like Accent Care or Life Alert. I have chosen MedScope. I'm now going to open this and show you what it's all about. We'll open the box, and the first thing we pulled out, bang, is a handy dandy little pamphlet about how your Lifeline works. I'll hand that to my assistant over here, and she'll get an up-close shot of that. Now I'll hand the box to my assistant, and she'll begin to assist me with the unboxing. Now, there are things that you need to know. You should always check inside the box to make sure everything is in there. We have your communication device with your Lifeline center. We have this handy dandy little charging cradle. We'll show you how all that works in just a moment. There's also a belt clip that you can use in the event that you want to clip the device to your seat belt if you are a driver in a vehicle or a person in a wheelchair who likes to go for walks and wants to have a less invasive option to stick your Lifeline on your body. That's what the Lifeline button looks like. So now that we've shown you all of the stuff that we have inside the box, we're going to show you how we plug it in so that we can charge it up. Now we have plugged the cradle into the wall, and you can see there's a red light located on the back of the cradle. This tells you that the cradle is fully functional and ready to assist you with charging your device. So the thing you're going to do next is take your device and plug it into the little prongs located in the cradle. You'll leave it sit there for about 5 or 10 seconds. And you see the light will start flashing orange, but there will be an audible message that comes across the Lifeline that says charging.
Charging.
Right there. So now it will flash orange, but it will also flash a blue light to let you know that the device is getting signal. We'll be back tomorrow to show you part 2 of how you activate your button with the call center. For now, this is Cruiser Chris World Network signing off. Welcome back, everybody. We've had 24 hours, but it only takes 2 hours to charge a Lifeline button from full to empty to full. So we've had 24. So we're now going to show you what the button looks like all charged up. This is what the button looks like when it's all charged up. It is a solid orange light with an occasional blue flash in the middle to show you that it is received signal. Lifelines are leading the charge with the future of medical alert devices. For example, you can use the power of magnets to keep your Lifeline on your body. This also works because if you're laying in bed at night and roll around, the magnet can separate itself and prevent you from choking. Through the magic of television, I have now charged up my button and it is now activated. In order to activate your button, you must call MedScope America. The number to MedScope America will appear at the end of this video. So I called to activate my new button, but it was after business hours, so a technician will have to call me back. What basically happens when the technician calls you back is the technician confirms what your address is, what the button number is, because every button has an individual number placed on it, and that your button is fully charged. We hope that you have enjoyed watching this presentation of the MedScope Lifeline system. If this is helpful to you, please call 1-800-645-2060 or talk to your county worker for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave an organic comment to let us know that you've been here. Thank you for your continued support of the Cruiser Chris World Network.